everybody, it's Emma from Kids Craft Room, and today we're sharing these really fun owl hats or owl crowns. There's a printable template which makes them really easy to make, and it comes in black and white that children can either sort of paint or colour in themselves, or you could trace around that onto coloured card. And also there's 3 colour variations, so you can see the grey one, the brown and the pink. When you put them on your head, the wings you can flap them from side to side, which is really fun. Here you can see the printables, the templates, so each owl hat just needs 3 sheets of card. Once you printed them out, just simply cut them out. There are 2 different coloured eyes to choose from, so either blue or green. And then you stick your outer eye, the big round white outer eye, onto the front piece of your headband. And then you can choose the colour of your inner eyes and pop those on. It's fun to play about and see which sort of position you want to put those inner eyes, because it can give your owl quite a different expression. Then we've got a little diamond shape beak to pop on. I like that it just pokes down a little bit at the bottom, so it makes it a bit more 3D. And to make your wings, you fold over the tabs on either side, pop a little bit of glue on there, and then just stick them onto the end of the front piece of the headband here. So you've got one on either side. That's the second one going on. Push it down, and then you take your back piece of your headband, line it up with the front piece just behind the wing, and simply staple it into place. You could glue it, but we put staples in, sort of one at the top, one at the bottom, and then whiz the whole thing round and staple the second half of the headband onto the other half of the front piece. So you could measure it around your head as well to get the exact sizing that you need, and cut off any excess if you need to. And there you have it. Easy peasy and lovely owl hats. I think they're great fun for autumn. The grey one is great as a snowy owl. You could even stick little bits of cotton wool on to make it even more snowy. Fun for your favourite owl stories and owl songs. There. Hope you have a lovely time with it. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.